Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Tiago Matos and I'm here to present you the wastewater monitor systems from ENKI HydroTec. As you all know, population is increasing. If you add that to the huge demand of natural resources, we have a big problem. One of that resources is fresh water, and we need water for everything. So, one of the solutions is to recycle it, and this is performed in the wastewater treatment plants. One of the big problems with these facilities is the energy consumption. In fact, 2 to 3% of all energy consumption in a country is because of the treatment plants. There's a lot of steps to treat water. One of them is called the aeration process. It takes 50 to 6% of all energy consumption in wastewater treatment plants. In this process, bacteria that exist on the water are used to clean it. These bacteria need oxygen to grow and to stay healthy. And to provide oxygen to the system are used aeration pumps, and this machinery is the responsible for this high energetic consumption. What happens today is that these pumps are always on, 24 hours for 7 days, always working. And this leads to high energetic consumptions and high costs. The thing is, if you know the behavior of the bacteria and what's happening in the tanks, we can reduce these costs. And it's not just us that say this. We have been talking with people from the industry and all say the same. Monitoring systems are extremely important to optimize and for the efficiency of the process. So why they don't do this? First, because sensors available in the market are extremely expensive. And even so, it requires integrated systems with data analysis and processing to control the other process and to rely their efficiency. Now, let me talk a bit about us. For last years, we've been developing electronic systems and devices to monitor water parameters. We have the philosophy to make them extremely low cost so we can provide the same amount of information of the water parameters but using less expensive materials. We are highly customizable because we manufacture our sensor in 3D printing so we can meet the requirements of the clients in terms of size and shapes. The sensors are full-time submersible to perform a continuous monitoring, and we have capabilities to connect the sensors to the outside world. Also, they are all integrated, so in a plug-and-play model, so we can add and remove sensors as you want and in an easy way. Taking advantage of our technology, we have developed a solution for the aeration process. So, what you do is have a diode sensor to monitor the oxygen and in the tanks. Also, a TSS sensor to monitor the amount of bacteria. The sensors are connected to a real-time platform where we provide an online data and we perform our algorithms to control the aeration pumps. So now we can reduce its power or even shut them off, reducing the cost in energy, and the bacteria are healthy and clean the water as they were before. We are already in the one of the largest wastewater treatment plants in Portugal. We are comparing our sensor with a high standard one, and the results show and confirm our performance for this solution. In terms of our business model, we will take care of all the operations, the research and development, manufacturing, the consulting and support, and the maintenance of our platform, that is the connection with the facilities. We have developed a new service that attends the requirements and needs of the treatment plants. So we will install our solution by an upfront fee, and then we have a subscription, a monthly subscription, where we take care of the maintenance, the online data, the processing, and the control of the aeration pumps. With this new business model, our clients do not need to buy expensive sensors anymore. They have the energetic power reduced, and also we provide them a continuous assistance so they have less costs in human resources. In terms of market, there is more than 100,000 wastewater treatment plants in the world. Half of them are just in Europe. And as you want to provide a service, for the first years you want to be next to our clients, so we are targeting Portugal and Spain, where there is more than 7,000 of wastewater treatment plants. In terms of our competitors, there's two big players, An Instruments and TAC, that only provide electronic systems to monitor the water. Also, there's a new company, Tescan, that provides an online platform. However, it just shows data. They do not provide any kind of processing, neither control of the process in these facilities. So, we have developed our service to match all of these requirements for the facilities of the wastewater treatment plants. In terms of our roadmap, as talked before, we are already in a facility testing our sensors. We are finished to develop our platform, and we are also finished to develop our oxygen sensor. We have already developed another set of sensors to control other processes in facilities. So our goal is to establish our solutions in these points and then start to attend to other needs of this industry. We want to get in the market in 2020, and for that we are asking to run our company a funding of 600,000 euros. After 5 years in the market, we expect to be in more than 700 of facilities with sales of 9 million and a profit of 3 million. About our team, it's composed by me, Tiago, and my colleagues João and Gil. We have more than 7 years in developing water monitoring systems and devices, and we have the help of Filipe and Pedro, the MBA students, and António and Luís, our mentors. So, wrapping up, ENKI HydroTec provides a new innovative technology to optimize the efficiency of the wastewater treatment plants. We have developed a new business model that attends to requirements and the needs of our clients. We are ready to go to the market, and we are already testing in real conditions. Thank you.